There comes the blue and yellow trike.
Trike wants to eat snow.
Come on, Trikey. Don't do that.
Wiggling and wagging their little tails, they came to a frozen lake.
Trikey wants to go skiing. Please.
I will join in too.
Oh, silly. Surely you can.
Yellow trike is having her fun, while blue trike is hesitating.
It's good in her. Get here, Trikey. See? This feels fun.
Both the little trike are content about skiing. A while has passed, and the ice started to crack off as the little ones moved. The little trikes felt terrified. The little ones are moving everywhere out of panic, and the ice started to crack everywhere. The yellow trike fell into the crack. Blue trike managed to reach the ground, but the yellow trike was stuck. The yellow trike started to go off due to the flow of water. Stego quickly went to call for help while the blue trike stood terrified. Soon, the Stego approaches the T-Rex, who was messing around on an iceberg.
How? Yellow trike is in danger.
T-Rex quickly sets out to rescue Yellow Trike. He pressed all kind of ways, and now he finds Yellow Trike floating away on ice. T-Rex continued following the Yellow Trike floating away. Soon, T-Rex jumped into the lake and prevented the Yellow Trike from following further. Yellow Trike is saved, and T-Rex sets to drop her off to Stego. Stego and Yellow Trike reunites.
Yay! Now shall we play here?
Yellow Trike is safely having her moment again.